Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be deploying a smart contract to the blockchain, and we'll continue building the UI for our dApp or decentralized application. Now based on the UI I've designed here, we need to make some changes to our smart contract. So first thing first, we need to make the wallet owner public. Then we need to make a function to return our contract address. I'll keep it up here. Function display contract address. It's public. It's a view function, and it returns address. Return address of our contract. Then save. Let's see what's wrong. I think it's the compiler. Oh, so around there I didn't put my semicolon. Save. Oh, it's the spelling of my return. Alright, we're good to go. To deploy your smart contract to a testnet, you need to switch from Remix VM London to an injected provider like MetaMask, and click deploy. Wait for MetaMask to load. Smart contract wasn't getting deployed because Remix couldn't work with Polygon Mobile. So I need to switch my network to Gorelli. So we're going to deploy our smart contract to Gorelli testnet. By the way, to do that you need some ethers, like fake test ethers. I already have enough. I have about 0.8 here. So if you don't have any at all, you can really ethers from reallyfaucet.com, but you have to have an Alchemy account. So when you create the Alchemy account, just come to reallyfaucet.com, then paste in your address, you receive some free. And back to my remix. I'm going to change this one more time to VM Berlin, then switch it back to MetaMask. can see is that Gorelli and the network ID is 5. So let's try deploying to Gorelli. Hopefully it will work this time. Okay, MetaMask is up. Let's wait for it to do its thing. Alright, Gorelli is working fine. Okay, I'm going to confirm this transaction. You can monitor the transaction if you want, but just go and stay here. Alright, it has been deployed to the blockchain. And if you click here, you see those functions we created, the gather functions. So what I want to do is copy your contract address, then open your Visual Studio, then in your wallet directory, create a folder, call it source. No, this is outside. I need it to be inside my wallet. You create a folder and call it source. Inside the source, create a file, call it wallet.js. Paste your contract address here. The last thing we need is the so come around here, the compiler. Go to the compiler section, then copy your ABI. Your ABI, then come down here, create a variable called ABI, and paste it here. Good, and save. What this ABI is just a JSON format of all the functions on your Solidity smart contract. It is through this ABI that will be able to call the functions in your code. So you know what? Let's copy our smart contract and let's put it in the source folder too. So create one file, name it wallet.so. Solidity code here. Then save it. Once you save it, let's rename this folder from source to blockchain. close this, close this, close this.